Hey guys, Engineer Prepper here. So this is my part 3 of my video. I know it's a part 3. I don't know how long it's going to be, because I'm going about this, little by little and trying things out. So I found out this would work. I just tested it out about a few minutes ago. So here's what I did. So I got a 5-gallon bucket. I put the pump sump in there, and I purchased a 1.5-inch threaded to PVC, 2-inch PVC. So I don't want to restrict the flow until the very end. And then I bought a 10-foot 2-inch PVC pipe, and I got a coupler at that end, and at this end I got the PVC to a threaded pipe. Now I'll explain why. It's in a second here. So I attached that to that in the bucket just to test how the flow, and it worked pretty good actually. Here's what I did. Okay. Oops, dropped that. What I'm going to do here for the pond, I'm going to drill 1-inch holes all around, except for the bottom, and I'm going to I purchased this air filter, blue air filter that we cut to size, and that way I'm going to line it on the inside with that air filter to prevent big solids to coming in and damaging the pump. So I'm eliminating as much as possible, eliminating the pump, but still get water circulation. And like I said, I'm not going to drill the bottom. That way the bottom's protected, of course. You guys understand that. Okay, so for the head portion, is I want to make different patterns on the head. So what I figure out is, here's the PVC pipe with the cup with the threaded end, and then I bought this cap. Here's that fitting. Well, that's the opposite. So this one's going to go on here. Okay. Oh, there we go. That's going to go on there, and I'm going to glue this end cap on top. So this is my fountain head. Okay. So this is going to go, so I can switch out the fountain head with different patterns. You just drill the holes that you want. So here's what I did. I'll take this one off because I already did one. I drilled a little hole pattern, and also what I found. See, I thought of using air compressor nozzles, like something like this. But I was like, nah. I forgot that I had this guy around. So this is my nozzle for the middle. So the middle part shoots up higher than the surrounding holes. These holes I made them 3/16, and this hole is 17/64. It's just slightly one slice bigger than a 1/4 inch. The reason why I didn't have a tap and die set to screw this in. God, autofocus. There we go. I didn't have a tap and die set, and so what I did is I got to the biggest hole that would fit snugly, and I heated this end with my propane torch just for a few seconds, and I started to screw it in, and that's a very tight fit. This will not come out. It's in there. And I mean, I could get it out, twisting it out, but it's heated in there, so the thread part is really snug. So anyway, so I kind of did this, and I drilled these holes at a 45-degree angle. So I got a straight shot and then a 45-degree angle on the surrounding ones. I'm going to make a couple more holes because I don't want to restrict the pressure. I don't want to restrict as much as since the flow is pretty high. I don't want to restrict it and maybe get more of a pattern, and I don't want to burn out the pump by overworking it, by pushing out the water. So I'll make a couple more. So that goes on top of there like that. Okay, so that's the top of my nozzle. My water level, I'm gonna have it maybe up to here or something. Keep this out of the water, but I'm gonna have it up to here. I'll paint it black so it won't be seen. Or I don't know, maybe leave it white, whatever. And maybe in time I'll buy some, those the water resistant solar lights, and maybe put it around. Who knows? Whatever. That's something else. So so that's it. What I did temporarily to test it out is I had it all off, and I just put the nozzle. Let me put this. Let me see here a second. You guys check out my son's little Jeep while I pull this off. Okay, so what I did is I just temporarily taped it on there with duct tape just to test it out, and you'll see a clip of it here next. So go ahead. I'm gonna pause it here or whatever. You guys, see the next clip, and that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. Or cost, technically free. These end caps are like 50 cents. Pipe was about $5, and the coupler was like another 58 cents. It was total in just in hardware, plumbing parts. It was about $20, $25. So far in cost. Oh, sorry, no, $30 because of the filter. Filter was like $6, $7. So it's just total in cost. So I got 60. Let's say 40. It was 59 plus the 20% off. So it was about 45-ish plus another 30. So 4 plus 3. Everybody 7. Okay, so it's about $70 in total materials as of now. Bucket I had laying around, so that's free. This is awesome. I'm excited just because, these pumps, fountain pumps that really are meant for ponds, they go between minimum $600 to $800 on the cheap end, and they could go up to $1,200, $2,000, $3,000, and just how much you want to spend. Who knows, So hopefully crossing fingers, hopefully this works for a while. Anyway, check out the clip. See you guys. Okay, let's test that. Just hold it there and let's see how. Oh, where's the cap? I think the cap flew off.
No, lo tiene puesto.
No? Oh, okay. All right, this is just a temporary setup. Let's see how my fountain works. Here we go. Look up. Water's gone.
¿Sabes qué? Hay que hacer los hoyitos más pegaditos. Están muy retirados.
Okay. All right, that's it for now.